How do you say hi?
Oi,
How do you say summer?
verão,
How do you say rooster?
galo,
How do you say blue?
azul,
How do you say daughter?
filha,
How do you say toucan?
tucano,
How do you say cellar?
vendedor,
How do you say toothbrush?
escova de dente,
How do you say brown?
marrom,
How do you say tip?
gorjeta,
How do you say which?
bruxa,
How do you say boy?
menino,
How do you say single?
solteiro,
How do you say school?
escola,
How do you say grapefruit?
toranja,
How do you say dry?
seco,
How do you say please?
por favor,
How do you say gray?
cinza,
How do you say early?
cedo,
How do you say hairdresser?
cabeleireiro,
How do you say line?
linha,
How do you say crib?
berço,
How do you say fly?
voar,
How do you say 30?
Trinta.
How do you say excuse me?
Com licença.
How do you say pig?
Porco.
How do you say nurse?
Enfermeira.
How do you say white?
Branco.
How do you say big?
Grande.
How do you say blessed?
Abençoado.